Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the top trending ways to earn money in the digital world this year. Whether you're looking to start something new or boost your current income, these ideas are going to set you up for success. Let's dive right in. First up, AI-powered freelancing. With AI tools becoming more advanced, freelancers can offer services like AI content creation, automation, or even chatbot development. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have a growing demand for these specialized skills. If you're already a freelancer, adding AI services to your repertoire can take your business to the next level. Affiliate marketing with AI optimization. In 2025, AI is revolutionizing the way marketers approach affiliate marketing. With AI, you can track consumer behavior, predict trends, and optimize your strategies for higher conversions. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Tools like AI-driven analytics can take your affiliate game to the next level. Content creation and monetization. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts are providing creators with multiple revenue streams, from ad revenue to sponsorships and merchandise sales. And guess what? AI tools can now help you generate content ideas, edit videos, and even engage with your audience more effectively. Content creators are seeing more ways than ever to monetize their work. Online courses and educational content. The demand for online learning continues to skyrocket, with platforms like Udemy and Teachable offering creators the chance to sell their expertise. Whether you're into digital marketing, graphic design, or personal development, there's an audience for your knowledge. With a solid course, you can earn passive income while helping others learn new skills. Virtual assistants and remote support. More businesses are outsourcing administrative tasks to virtual assistants, and the demand is only growing. Whether it's scheduling, email management, or customer service, being a virtual assistant offers flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. If you've got strong organizational skills, this could be your ticket to online income. In 2025, trading and investing have become mainstream, with influencers sharing tips, advice, and strategies on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. If you possess knowledge about the stock market or cryptocurrencies, you can build a following and monetize your expertise by providing insights, hosting live streams, and promoting investment tools. Those are the top ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're looking to freelance, create content, or dive into e-commerce, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on earning money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.